In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create LinkedIn posts that get 30,000 views. It's an exciting way to engage your network and enhance your professional presence on this platform. Let's delve into the step-by-step process to make posts that not only engage but also captivate your audience. To start, navigate over to linkedin.com and ensure that you've logged into your account. If you haven't already, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you might prefer to enter your email address and password manually. Once you're comfortably on your home feed, you're ready to initiate the creation of your poll. The first and crucial step in making your poll popular is crafting engaging and relevant questions. It's important to keep in mind what your audience is interested in, as well as which topics are currently trending. These considerations are key because they allow you to ask questions that will spark conversations and drive engagement. When it comes to your poll options, clarity and conciseness are essential. Clear options are critical because they help users make decisions swiftly, enhancing the overall experience. Now, to create your poll, find the Start a Post box on your LinkedIn feed, and click it. Then, look for the plus sign button and give it a click. You should see an option that says, Create a Poll. Once you select this option, you'll begin to design your survey. You should remember that LinkedIn imposes character limits, 140 for the question and 30 for each option. Additionally, you're limited to a maximum of 4 options. It's important to avoid vague or confusing answers. People should be able to understand their choices immediately. After setting your poll options, you'll need to decide on how long you want your poll to be live. Timing is everything here. Posting your polls at peak times when your audience is most active can maximize engagement. This timing could be during mornings or late afternoons, depending on your network's demographics. To enhance the reach of your poll, consider using relevant hashtags. Relevant hashtags can significantly increase its reach. Think about keywords that relate to your poll topic and incorporate those hashtags before posting. An additional strategy to attract attention is the use of eye-catching graphics or images with your poll. Visual elements can substantially affect how much your poll stands out as people scroll through their feeds. Once you've reviewed all the details and are satisfied with your poll, it's time to publish. Hit the post button and your poll will go live. Remember, the more engaging and targeted your poll is, the more views you're likely to attract. Make sure to engage with respondents by commenting back or sharing interesting insights from the poll results. This kind of engagement not only boosts the visibility of your poll but also strengthens your presence on LinkedIn. Following these steps will set you on the path to creating LinkedIn polls with the potential to generate 30,000 views or more.